far away. What's up guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. So today I am doing a Temu haul. This is a part 2 to my previous nail haul. It took me a long time to get these pieces because the shipping has been a lot slower because of you know who, but we won't say any names. Unfortunately, it took a couple more weeks than expected, but everything's here, still in the month of February. Of course, I will also pop up my coupon code somewhere around here and leave everything linked down in the description below. And I will also link my previous Temu nail haul as well, just in case you've seen some pieces from that haul that you would want that's not in this one. So let's go ahead and get started. I am gonna zoom you guys in, talk to you, put you, well, I'm gonna put myself up here on this side of the screen so that I can focus in on the nails or the products like I did before. I like the idea of having a camera on top of there so you guys can see the products up close rather than me just holding it up like. Now let's get started. Alright, so again, I just went ahead and zoom you guys in. We are going to start with these little holders and then I'll actually get to the products because some of them are repurchases, some of them are new, but I'd rather just start on like the storage because I did not have any storage in my last haul, so I had to definitely pick up some this time. The first thing we have is this little envelope slot where I don't know how many plastic pages that there are, but there's two different sides to it, and you do put your sticker sheets on the side. So this is a sticker sheet holder for your nails. Again, stickers can be for anything, so you can also use regular stickers and put them in here, but I just thought that this was a really good case for it. And I did try some of them out, and it does fit all of the sheets perfectly. Like there's room for bigger ones as well. Right, so the next two storages that I'm gonna mention together because they are pretty similar, but one is just a little bit bigger in like the square size. So these are magnetic storages, and love these, by the way. They just like kind of like pop off. You can slide them off, pop them off. And the smallest one that I'm going to start with first, Bratz DIY nails, and I used the spin charm and it came out perfect. Like it was just perfect. Like the whole look just came together. The best Bratz nails I've ever seen in my life. And as you guys can see, I did put those little spin charms in this one just because they were on the verge. Well, I was on the verge of losing them because they came in that little plastic, and I put all of these nail pieces to the side until I get this storage, and I was like, I'm gonna lose that, so I'm just gonna put that in there. The last thing that I have for a charm holder is this one that I actually like a little bit more than the previous one. You will take one out, and they are removable, which is great. So you'll take one out, open it up, and just, you know, put your charms in there. And they are different, and to me a little bit more of a step up and a better option for the typical nail charms, like the holders that it'll have those ones that you slide open and then you can put them in, kind of like a jewelry holder in a way. Yeah, I prefer these because they are portable. So instead of me bringing out a whole lot of like 200 charms at once, I can, you know, pick each individual one, and that's better. The next thing I have right here, which I'm very excited about, I finally got me one of these mixing palettes, which mixing palettes, if you don't know, they're great for mixing all types of things. Nail products such as like pigments, nail polishes, also foundations, or you know, a multitude of things. What kind of material is this? It looks like glass, but it kind of, I think it's more of like a resin material. Next type of nail tool that I got is a 5-piece of the blue silicone sponge tips. You can use this to push your cuticles back, which would also be a good thing because it does not have that grit, so it won't damage your nail bed while trying to push your cuticles. So this can still work for that, but what I got it for is to smooth on nail stickers. I always have a hard, well, I really recently just started doing like nail DIYs myself, and I'm talking about I always have a hard time. I did have a hard time in that nail video, the Bratz one, sticking down the stickers. Well, moving on to the stickers, since I was just mentioning, I did go ahead and repurchase those Barbie looking stickers. So the ones that I have, or the ones that I previously had, Still have them, by the way. But the ones that I bought in the first place was just this one sheet that has the cream jar. When I went back on there, it was recommended to me that a different seller had 2 sheets, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Like, I would have just bought the 2 sheets in the first place. But again, some sellers have certain things, some don't. So yeah, I seen this seller that had this, and I was like, okay, this looks more like Barbie. Diamond, star, says super, sunglasses, go away. It has a castle, a little puppy, lipstick, heart, butterfly, sunflower, bags, bows, on there as well. I don't want to say the word just in case, you know, YouTube sometimes they be tripping. I got this because again, I am going to be doing Barbie nails soon in the summertime, because I'm also going to be doing a Barbie DIY. Next stickers that I have that I'm a little confused about these. I got so excited because I was like, are you kidding me right now? A 24-piece set. There's actually 25 in here because I bought a separate one from a different seller, and then I seen another seller had this whole pack, a 24 pack. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this. So if you do see 25 in here, that's why. I think they're water transfer, so they're kind of like tattoos, which I'm curious on if you could use these as tattoos, because I want finger tattoos. So I think we're going to test that out, test that theory to see if you can use these as tattoos. But these are something where I believe, I've never used them before, you know, I'm just using nail stickers, not something like this, but I believe you cut it out, put it in water, separate the transfer in this case from the backing, and then you stick it on your nail and then top coat. Now, some people do use that applicator that you stamp it on. So some people use that, some people will just use tweezers. So we're gonna test these out. They gave so many different types, which love that. We have angels, Guadalupe, letters, money, yin yang, Halloween, snakes, dragon, Chinese lettering, fire, dragons. Oh, I just love those dragons. And do you guys see the dragons that are different colors, like that ombre? That would look stunning to do like a nail look for the summertime with those colors, that ombre. Could you guys imagine like that ombre green to yellow and then a dragon on it? Oh my gosh. Last but certainly not least, we have a bunch of nail charms in here, okay? So the first one that I got right here is a repurchase of the bunny. They're like masks. I would think they're kind of like a masquerade type of look. So I got the black bunnies. Now, I unfortunately got another pack of these black ones. They also had it in white, purple, yellow, you know, some different colors. I honestly would have preferred buying the white ones because I feel like that's easier to paint. Whatever color I do paint my nails, I would not mind painting the bunny mask because it would help to blend in. And then I got the gold version. I also picked up the silver as well. Now, I believe that there's 10 in each pack. So then I ended up doing another repurchase of the Barbie head looking charms. I did mention to you guys in my last video that they also had the silver one. So now you guys can see that the Barbie charm in general on the gold one, it's gold with silver diamonds. And then the silver one is silver with, of course, silver diamonds. I kind of think like the gold one looks more like a Barbie head because, of course, you know, Barbie is blonde. I also picked up the black bows. They have these in a bunch of different colors as well, and in this pack there's about 50 in here, so there's a lot in here. But I thought it would be so cute to do a look with the black mask, the black bunny mask, the black bows, and then these other charms that I'm going to show you guys. Next charms that I have right here is these little balloon dogs. There's 12 pieces of them, different colors. Again, it does suck that when there's a mixed bunch like this of different colors, they don't put an even amount in there. But still, these balloon dogs are so cute. You can use them as nail charms or you can use them for your crafting. And then the last charm. Now these are giving me, is it valedictorian? What's that show that everybody loves? Bridgerton? Like, it's giving me those vintage ethereal type of vibes, like with the queen on here, Queen Charlotte, something. Now you do have to pay attention to detail because some of them have like a certain amount of pearls. So this silver one has a white queen, 3 pearls on the top, 3 pearls on the bottom, and 1 pearl on each side. The next silver one's white queen with 1 pearl on each side. Next one right here is a white queen with a a black type of background and a gold accent around there with one pearl on each side. Next one is a white queen with a cream color type of background and a gold accent and a one pearl on each side. And then the last two packs, which came from different sellers, actually has a mixed style. So the first one has like this beigey brown type of look. I don't even know what kind of color that is. And a silver accent around there with no type of like pearls or anything on there. So they kind of, it looks like they would have clipped the pearls off and just gave you something basic. And then the last set came with a mixed style of different colors in here, so you guys will be able to see that one as well with no pearls around there. So I think it's great to have the ones that have the pearls because that would kind of fill out the nail, and then the ones without any pearls around there would be great because you could, for an example, if you do have like, you know, those different size pearls or different size gems, crystals, you could stick them around there to kind of make a different design for that queen, who I believe is probably Charlotte. Just giving you guys an idea. That is it. That is all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you can check out those other videos, the previous ones. All links will be down below. Don't forget to use my coupon code, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.